In this video, pag-uusapan natin ang rectangular coordinate system. The rectangular coordinate system is named after the famous mathematician René Descartes. And now let's talk about the Cartesian coordinate plane. Kung mapapansin mo, ang pangalan ng Cartesian ay nanggaling sa pangalan ni René Descartes. So the Cartesian coordinate plane is formed by the intersection of the horizontal number line and a vertical number line. The horizontal number line is what we know as the x-axis, and the vertical number line is what we know as the y-axis. Remember that the intersection of the horizontal number line and the vertical number line, yung matatagpuan natin sa gitna, is what we know as the origin. The Cartesian coordinate plane is divided into 4 regions, or simply 4 quadrants. We have quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, and quadrant 4. It is also important na alam natin yung tinatawag nating ordered pair or simply yung coordinate. So we have x, y, or pwede rin nating tawagin itong xy. The first coordinate, ang tawag natin dito ay x-coordinate or abscissa. The second is what we know as the y-coordinate or simply the ordinate. Kapag alam na natin ito, madali na nating mailagay yung mga points or location ng points sa ating Cartesian plane. At kung mapapansin natin, since ang sign ng x-axis natin sa quadrant 1 ay positive at ang sign ng y-axis natin sa quadrant 1 ay positive, ibig sabihin sa quadrant 1, the sign of the coordinates are both positive. Sa quadrant 2 naman, we have the negative and positive. Sa quadrant 3, we have negative and negative. And then sa quadrant 4, we have positive and negative. Now that we know the basics of the Cartesian coordinate plane, ang tanong naman natin ngayon is how do we plot points on the Cartesian plane? For example, we want to plot point A which has the coordinates 2, 3. The first step that we have to do is to remember this. If we are given an ordered pair x, y, the x-coordinate, ang movement niya ay either left or right. So, if the sign of the x-coordinate is negative, then the movement is to the left. If the sign of the x-coordinate is positive, then the movement is to the right. However, if the value of x-coordinate is 0, magi-stay lang siya. Si y-coordinate naman, ang movement lang ay either up or down. So, if the value of y-coordinate is positive, then the movement is upward. And if the value of y-coordinate is negative, then the movement is downward. However, if y-coordinate is 0, magi-stay lang siya. For example, kung titignan natin si 2, 3, ang sign ng ating x-coordinate ay positive at ang sign ng ating y-coordinate ay positive. So, ibig sabihin, ang movement natin is right, up. So, starting from the origin, we have to move 2 units to the right. 1, 2, and then 3 units upward. 1, 2, 3. So, ibig sabihin, the location of point A is here. Second example, let's say point B, which has the coordinates negative 4, negative 7. So, the x-coordinate is negative and the y-coordinate is negative. So, ang movement natin, left, down. So, starting from the origin, we have to move 4 units to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 7 units downward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Therefore, the location of point B is here. For the third example, let's say point C which has the coordinates 5, 0. So, kung titignan natin, ang x-coordinate natin ay positive 5, ibig sabihin, to the right. However, kung titignan natin ang ating y-coordinate which is 0, ibig sabihin, magi-stay lang. So, paano natin gagawin? So, starting from the origin, move 5 units to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then, since the y-coordinate is 0, hindi na siya tataas, hindi na rin siya bababa. So, magi-stay lang siya. So, ibig sabihin, si point C ay matatagpuan dito. For the fourth example, let's say 0, 6. So in this case, kung titignan naman natin ang ating x-coordinate ay 0, ibig sabihin, mag-i-stay lang tayo muna. Hindi tayo pupunta sa left, hindi rin tayo pupunta sa right. Kung titignan naman natin si y-coordinate which is 6, ibig sabihin nito, pupunta tayo pataas. Ang movement natin ay upward. So from here, we have to move 6 units up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, ibig sabihin, si point D is located here. We can also identify kung anong quadrant sila matatagpuan. So, si point A ay matatagpuan sa quadrant 1 dahil parehong positive ang x and y coordinates. Si point B naman ay matatagpuan sa quadrant 3, which is obviously because the x and the y coordinates are both negative. Si point C naman ay matatagpuan along the x-axis, particularly along the positive x-axis. Si point D naman ay matatagpuan along the y-axis, particularly along the positive y-axis. And that's how we plot points or locate points on the Cartesian coordinate plane. And I hope na may natutunan ka naman kung paano mag-plot ng points sa Cartesian coordinate plane. Thank you for watching.